In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crypto to your Coinbase wallet the easy way. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking for a quick refresher, we've got you covered, so let's dive right in and make this as smooth as possible for you. First, make sure you have the Coinbase wallet app downloaded and installed on your device. Once that's set up, go ahead and open the app. You'll be greeted by the main interface, which is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time using it. Now look towards the bottom of your screen. You should see an icon labeled Send Receive. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be prompted with two options. For our purposes, let's focus on Receive. Tapping on Receive will essentially indicate that you are going to be transferring cryptocurrency into your wallet rather than sending it out. Once you've moved forward with that, the next step involves choosing which cryptocurrency you want to add to your wallet. You'll see a list that includes popular options like ETH for Ethereum, BTC for Bitcoin, and potentially many more depending on what's available. Select the one that you're planning to add. For example, if you're adding Ethereum, you'll tap on ETH. Great. Now that you've selected your preferred cryptocurrency, you will see two options to obtain your wallet address. You can opt to either copy the wallet address directly or use the QR code that appears on the screen. Both methods will work effectively. If you're comfortable with technology, the QR code can be a fast and convenient option, especially when you're in a hurry. But if not, copying the address manually works just as well. Moving on, it's time to switch gears a little. You'll need to head over to the app or exchange where your existing cryptocurrency is currently stored. This could be another wallet or a crypto exchange platform. Once you're there, look for an option to send or withdraw crypto. You will then want to paste the wallet address you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Double check that the address is correct to avoid sending your funds to the wrong destination. These addresses are pretty lengthy, so taking an extra moment for verification is always a safe choice. After you have confirmed everything is accurate, go ahead and send the crypto. Initiate the transaction and then take a breather. This next part requires a little patience, as you'll need to wait a few minutes for the transaction to complete. During this time, the blockchain processes your transaction and updates accordingly. Depending on the network and the amount of traffic it's processing, this can take anywhere from a minute to an hour. And there you have it. Once the transaction is confirmed, your crypto will successfully be added to your Coinbase wallet. It's that simple. Thanks for watching and happy trading.